struggling to navigate ranging markets, or find the perfect trend. This trading view indicator might just change the way you trade forever. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to filter out false signals, identify strong trends, and make confident trading decisions with one tool. Here's the problem: ranging markets. They're notorious for causing false signals, leading to frustrating losses. But what if there was a way to spot these markets before you entered a trade? That's where this indicator shines. By using a unique metric called trend delta, it identifies ranging conditions with a simple rule. If the delta value is below 80%, the market is likely ranging. For example, here's a ranging market identified by the indicator. Notice how the trend delta value is less than 80%. This simple metric alone can save you from making risky trades in uncertain conditions. The indicator's features. Let's break down what makes this indicator so powerful. The trend levels indicator has 1. A color-coded trend ribbon showing resistance and support levels. 2. Trend shift arrows signaling bullish or bearish transitions. 3. Candle colors that adapt to market momentum, so you know when to hold back. 4. A trend delta value that quantifies market strength. For instance, during a strong bullish trend, a green ribbon appears, and the trend delta approaches 100%, meaning nearly all candles are above the midline. Great for making confident trades. Here's how to set it up. Open Trading View and load any trading security. Go to the Indicators tab and search for trend levels. Select the version by Chart Prime and you're ready to go. To take a long position, look for bright green candles and ensure there's a gap of 5 candles before a pullback to the midline. Wait for the trend delta to hit 100%, then enter your trade. It's that simple. Let's look at a live example. Here, the market is in a strong bullish trend. The delta hits 100%, confirming strength, and a subtle pullback touches the midline with a wick. Entering here with a 2.1 risk-reward ratio resulted in a profitable trade. In contrast, during this bearish trend, the purple candles and a 100% trend delta indicated strong downward momentum. Again, following the pullback strategy made this a successful short trade. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Comment below with your favorite TradingView indicator, or let me know what you'd like me to cover next. And remember, this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. Good luck with your trades, and I'll see you in the next one.